Here's how to fix if the microphone voice input is missing on a Samsung keyboard. Now, if you open up the keyboard and you're used to seeing the microphone where you can basically do speech to text, I'll show you how to get it back. But first, if this helps you out, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up, say, Google Chrome here. And if we tap on here, you should be able to see at the very bottom left a little microphone icon that you can basically just talk to and it will transcribe it into text. If you don't see that, we need to get into your settings. So you can either swipe up and tap on the settings icon here, or you can also just swipe down from the top right and tap on the settings from here as well. Now, once you're in your settings, we need to go to the keyboard settings. So you can either just hit search and search for keyboard and tap on it, or you can also go back out here and we'll swipe down until you get to the option for general management. You can see language and keyboard is built into that. So we'll tap on general management. And now the first thing we'll do is tap on keyboard list and default. And once we're in here, you need to make sure keyboard button on navigation bar is turned on. Now, after I've turned that on, let's hop out of here and check it. You can see if I tap on here, you can see that keyboard or the microphone icon is at the bottom left. However, if it's still missing, you might need to change something else as well. So let's go back into your settings. And we'll go back out of here and tap on Samsung keyboard settings, or if you're using Gboard. Now, all you need to do is scroll down and you're going to look for the voice input option and tap on that. Now, if this is set to none, then of course you don't have any voice input set. You can choose to do it as a Google Voice typing, or in my case, I like the Samsung voice input. So I'm just going to choose that. And you can see some other stuff like English, Spanish, US, high defensive words. You can choose to customize that depending on your preference. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.